Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today I am doing this awesome transfer and I'm using 3 different methods. I'm doing layering, shadowing, and blending. So we got a lot of work to do. All right, I just showed you how we just wash off our chalk, put water on there. I use paper towel to collect it all after I scrape it off. Then I use a wipe, and we have a board eraser that will take any of the ghosting off of it. And now I'm ready to chalk again. First off, I kind of had to place everything. So that's what all the tape on the sides and the other transfers are, just so I know where about to put my first layers, which is the rainbow. And they have registration marks, so it makes it easy to line it up. And when you're all done, then you just wipe the registration marks off. So I'm doing all the layers, and of course you have to wait in between time. And there's the last one, which is purple, but you can put any color you want. And then I'm washing out the registration marks. It's chalk, you can do that. All right, this one is a different transfer. It is a club transfer. It is a retired one, but it just went so much for this in my sunshine. So I put this on there, and this is where I'm going to use the blending technique. I'm putting the 2 colors on a little over halfway and making it a little bit thick in the middle. Scrape some of the edges off, but in the middle it's thicker, and I just wet my finger just slightly, don't overdo the water. And I'm just doing a circular motion, blending those 2 colors together. Easy peasy. Okay, now for layering, well, wait, let's go back to this one. On the sunshine, I'm doing the shadow. So you want to put your darker color on first. In this instance, it was the gold, the shimmer gold I used. You put that on, and once it is dry, which you'll see later on, I'll come back with the second color, which is white. Now for the layering, always put wax on it, or I do. It helps. It won't peel off the first layer of paste. It just makes it so much easier. So it's worth it to me to take the time. And I am just taking this and I'm putting white, bright white on there. And it pops on the chalkboard. Scrape off the excess and pull on the straight edge, not the bias. Beautiful, right? I love how that pops. All right, now the shadowing. You line it up with what you chalked before, and then I just raise it above a little bit and to the left, just a little bit. Or you can do it bottom and to the right, wherever you want that shadow to end up at. Now this shadowing is very subtle because on the black chalkboard, the gold doesn't appear that obvious till you look at it close up. But it's pretty cool, and it really is easy. It wasn't bad at all. And I'm done, and I love it. What do you guys think? My sunshine. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Three transfers in here.